Hi everyone. Today in this session we are discussing about very important topic, that is tautomerism. Tautomerism. Tautomerism is also called as dynamic isomerism or keto-enol tautomerism or desmotropism. Desmotropism. What? So just remember, keto-enol tautomerism and tautomerism, these two words are very important. Dynamic isomerism, desmotropism is rare cases. Okay. Change in bonding pattern catalyzed by acids and bases, in the presence of acids and bases, catalyzed by both acids and bases. Alpha hydrogen shifting. What is alpha hydrogen and what is alpha carbon? We'll discuss next to this definition. Structural isomers which are spontaneously interconvertible. Structural isomers, for example, these two are structural isomers. Spontaneous interconvertible. Spontaneous interconvertible from keto group to enol group. Okay, single compound exists in two readily interconvertible structures which are in dynamic equilibrium. That's why this is called dynamic isomerism. Okay, for example, this is acetone. This is acetone compound. This is acetone compound. Here acetone compound, 3 carbons, middle carbon having double bond O, keto group. This is keto group. Okay, this keto group get converted into alcohol group. Keto group gets converted into alcohol group. This is called tautomerism. Okay, both structure different relative position of at least one alpha hydrogen. Here this is main group. For example, C double bond O, this is carbon, this is functional group. Next immediate carbon is alpha carbon. And the next immediate carbon is alpha carbon. And that carbon having one hydrogen or two hydrogens or three hydrogens. For example, this is one hydrogen, this is third, and this is second and third hydrogen. This is called alpha hydrogen. What's the tip? Both the structure differ in relative position of at least one alpha hydrogen. Here this is the keto group, this is alpha carbon, and this is alpha hydrogen. Here one alpha hydrogen is missing and new double bond is formed. Dynamic equilibrium, this bond is migrated here and this double bond O shifted here and OH is formed. This is keto form, this is enol, alkene, alcohol, that's why this is called enol. This is keto form, more stable than this one. This is 86% in keto form and 14% in enol form. Okay, this is the definition of tautomerism. Tautomerism can exhibit mainly in aldehydes, ketones, nitro compound, cyano compound, RCN, cyano compound, aldoxymes. So these compounds exhibits tautomerism. Aldehydes, ketones, RNO2, RCN and aldoxymes. Okay, mainly conditions for tautomerism. If the compound, what type of compound exhibits tautomerism, at least one alpha hydrogen must be present. In that compound. That compound only exhibits tautomerism. And alpha hydrogen present at saturated carbon. For example, this is double bond O, this is CH double bond CH2. This cannot participate in tautomerism. Why? Because this alpha carbon hydrogen connected with unsaturated, that means double bond. This cannot participated in tautomerism. Alpha hydrogen present at saturated carbon. Okay, saturated carbon. This is if the compound having single bond CH3, this can participate in tautomerism. Why? Because this carbon connected with alpha hydrogen carbon. Alpha hydrogen carbon. Okay, alpha hydrogen carbon present at saturated carbon that can exhibit tautomerism. And third one is bridged alpha hydrogens cannot participate in tautomerism. Bridged alpha hydrogen, one example is here. Why these bridged alpha hydrogens cannot participate in tautomerism? See this example later on time. Okay, second one is second example. This is first example, acetone. Enol form existed in 14% and keto form existed in 86%. This is acetyl acetone. So here this is keto compound. This is keto group. This is also keto group. Here this carbon, this is alpha hydrogen, and this is alpha hydrogen, alpha carbon. This is alpha hydrogen. Here 3 alpha hydrogens are present. What about this carbon? This carbon having 2 alpha hydrogens. This is having 3 alpha hydrogens. 3 alpha hydrogens. In these cases, this CH2 only reacted. Why? Because very much active keto groups are better attracting. This CH2 group is more acidic in nature. This CH2 group more acidic in nature, more attracting power than this CH3, this CH3. That's why this hydrogen is shifted. This hydrogen is shifted. Okay, for example here carbon and hydrogen and hydrogen. This hydrogen is here, this double bond was here. The product is this way. This is the product. And keto form is 24% and enol form is 76%. Why? Because here see, enol is formed and ene and OH group, alcohol group. Enol is formed and C double bond is regular keto group, and bond between this hydrogen and this oxygen, new intermolecular hydrogen bond formed. Intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. This is also called as chelation bond. Chelation bond. So that's why this is in more stable. Enol form is more stable, 76%. Okay. Then this is ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. Here also CH2 group is more attracting power. More attracting power than ester group. Here, sorry, OC2H5. So more attracting, this CH2 group is more attracting power than this OC2H5. Okay, that's why bond hydrogen is alpha hydrogen is shifted here, and OH is formed in enol form. Here also enol form is less stable, 7%, here 93%. Here also intermolecular hydrogen bonding is formed, but here what happened? O-methoxy group is present. That's why this is more stable than this one. Okay, here one benzyl ring and one methyl group. Okay, which is participated more in tautomerism. This CH3 group is more participated in tautomerism. The product is like this product. And here CH3 C double bond OH, keto form. Here only one alpha carbon and that having 3 alpha hydrogens. Okay, this keto form is 99.9% and enol form is 0.01%. This is called alloxide. This is called aldoxime. Okay, here what happened? This is keto form. No, this is enol form. This is keto form. This is keto form. Okay, this is 3 keto groups are present, and newly 3 double bonds are formed. This is the product. Okay, this is keto, this is enol form. Okay, now here one question: which molecule can exhibit tautomerism? Which molecule can exhibit tautomerism? So I already said that bridged alpha hydrogens cannot participate in tautomerism. So first criteria is at least one alpha hydrogen. Here this is keto group, this is keto group, here one alpha hydrogen, here also one alpha hydrogen. But this alpha hydrogen present at the bridged compound. Bridged compound hydrogen participated in chemical reaction, that bridge will be collapsed. That's why that cannot participate in tautomerism. So this product is eliminated. Here also this is keto group, here one hydrogen, one alpha hydrogen, 1 2 3 4. Okay, here no alpha hydrogens. This is also belongs to bridged hydrogens. Okay, this is also bridged hydrogen. This cannot be participated in tautomerism. Here C double bond O, here 2 alpha hydrogens. This is carbon 1 2 3, 1 hydrogen is present. This hydrogen cannot participate in tautomerism. Why? Because this is bridged hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. These 2 hydrogens are participated in tautomerism. So the answer is this one. Which molecule can exhibit tautomerism? This molecule can exhibit tautomerism. These 2 are not exhibits tautomerism. Why? Because these alpha hydrogens all are belongs to bridged hydrogens. Okay, this is the tautomerism. We'll go through more examples in our competitive exams. Okay, read that examples and practice them more examples for competitive exams, NEET, IIT, JEE, mains, and any other competitive exam. Okay, this is tautomerism. Clear? Okay, next class we have one more topic, that is ring chain isomerism. We'll meet in that class only. Thank you.